Hello and welcome to the All-in-One theme. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to style your all-in-one theme. Now, this will be everything from the header, the logo, colors, everything. This is how you personalize your site. So, when you install the all-in-one theme, by default, this is the header that it will pick for you. This is the icon that it will pick for you by default. But let me walk you through this on how you can really make it yours, something that you want and the colors that you want and something you're really proud to share. When it loads, if you go to the Style tab and you click on this, it should by default land on main text, but if it doesn't, you can click on main text and this is where you'll be. Now the main text is really this section right here. See, I can just drag this around, so you can make this any way you want. Sometimes depending on your browser, you may see a little bit of tailings like that, but don't worry about it. It won't be there when you actually save it. So what you can do is you can make on this main text, you can do several different things to make this how you want it. So you can come right down here. I can make it bold. I can italicize. I can underline it. See how that works? I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. I can change the font. Okay? So I can do anything I want. Now I can also change the color. So I can make it a color. Really, anything I can do here to make this exactly the way I want it to look for me. Okay, so this is one of the cool things about it. Now there's various different things you can do, and you won't find this in any other theme that I know of. But you can also do this with the tagline. And what's so powerful about this is the ability to drag it around like this and make it how you want it. So you can do this. It's got the same functionality in the on the tagline as it does the main tag or the main text. Okay, so you can do the same thing you want here, and then there's also this section here called icon. See this icon right here? So by default, that's the one it picks, but you have all these different icons that you can choose from. So let's just say, you know what, we want this umbrella. Okay, and let's go with, I don't know, let's pick a color. So you can do whatever you want. You can make it bigger. Okay. Let's say you don't have a logo. This is the way you can build you a quick logo, right? There we are, right? Now we can do a background. Now we can pick the background color by default. We can upload our own, right? Or we can come down here. There's several different ones to pick from. The key is to try to upload your own. That's how you're going to make the most out of it. But let's just pick this one. Now you see how this changed right here? Because what we've done is we've also picked the corresponding background color. So as this image is on the site, other places where if you go full width, the other places to the side, the background color needs to match so that it looks appropriate. So that's what we've done for you there, is we've gone ahead and set those colors for you. Now you can go through here and you can pick any one you want, right? Oh, that's kind of interesting. You can go through and pick any one you want. Okay, you can see here, this gives you a good example. You can see exactly the area that you're working in. You can pick any one you want, and then you just save it, and that's your new logo. Okay, you just built you from inside the theme. You just picked you a complete logo and a header area that's unique to your site. Like I said, you can come through here and you can upload your own logo. If you have your own logo that you want to have, you can do that here as well. Here's the other cool thing about it, is it comes here, the site comes preloaded with various different color schemes. So there is a default color scheme, and if you're not sure what to do on this thing, obviously you can just press next and you'll end up with this default color scheme. So you can pick these colors, and the best way to see how this works is to, if you like the default colors, go with them. But if you'd like to try to tweak it a little bit, you want to start making it your own, see how these match here. So if you want to make it your own, you go over here to custom, and it says button color, footer widget background, call to action background. So there's different settings here that you can come and tweak to make sure that it all looks the way you want it to look. And the best way to do it is you make a change, save it, and look at the site. But here's also a very cool thing, and that is the ability to come through here and set the font on the site. So you have the content area, the navigation font, and the title. So you have title, content, navigation. So you can set how large you want these to be. Do you want it small or big? Because maybe you picked a font that, it's a really small font. I think there's one here that's. You see how this works though. See that's really small, so maybe we need to make that bigger. Yeah, so that's probably about as big as we're going to get. So you can do that now. It's important to have your fonts all line up. But this is a great way for you to once again take this site and make it where it looks unique to you and how you want it, and to communicate the feeling of your topic through your font size as well as the style of your font. So this is a unique thing. I haven't seen this in any other theme. This is unique to the all-in-one theme. But it really makes the difference in your site. And what I'll do is I'll jump over here and I'll show you how the current site looks so you can get a general idea. Okay, here it is. So now let's change a font and just see exactly what we're talking about here. So if this is the content navigation. So let's take the navigation and just to where it's something where we can really see how this works. We'll just try to find something that's really out there. And then let's take the title and let's make the title, let's see here. Try to find one here. Normally you end up with a few fonts you really like, and those are the ones you'll go with. Alright. So this is going to be our title, Yellowtail, and I'll set our content to Yellowtail. Alright, so let's see how this works. We'll hit save. Okay, it's saving. We know it's saved. And then now let's come over here to the site. Okay, see how it changed all of this for you? So let me pause this, sorry. So this is a very easy way to take this theme and make it yours, make it unique to you, something that you will like and that is unique to your particular niche. So play around with it, change some settings, change the fonts, change the color, see how it looks, and then I think you'll find out that it really is probably the easiest theme you've ever had the opportunity to work with. Make sure you check out our other videos where we go step by step each one of the pages so you understand really how this works. Thanks.